Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the pattern continues with foggy nights and mornings, giving way to mostly cloudy skies and afternoon temperatures in the lower 80s. We did see a few intervals of sun this afternoon. That's going to be the challenge, how quickly the fog and low clouds burn off on how high our temperatures get in the afternoon. But we're going lower 80s into the weekend, but changes this weekend and beyond. We'll get to those in just a bit. So let's take a look at that satellite imagery, put it in motion over the last 12 hours, and we do see lots going on. We have some snow in the north, showers in the mid-south, but north of Acadiana. Nice storm system setting up, coming in from the Pacific, and that's going to be working its way into the Pacific Northwest and through the Rockies eventually with time. So we're going to see snowy conditions here. There's snow advisories up through the Midwest as well. Then farther to the south, we have shower activity that's been persistent north of the region, but not around here. But we did see, as expected, a couple of isolated streamer showers coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. Not a whole lot showing up on Power Doppler HD, but we've been spying on a little bit of a shower across eastern Acadia Parish. We had a little shower here at the station too, right between Mere, Higginbottom, and just to the southeast of Church Point. This is heading up to Highway 178 and may eventually impact somewhere between Lawtell and Opelousas in about 15-20 minutes or so. We'll track that. Farther north and east into St. Landry Parish, few isolated sprinkles showing up between Port Barry and Washington. That's about it locally, and it should be a relatively quiet night, although we do expect misty conditions with fog coming back in tonight. In fact, the National Weather Service being proactive today and getting way ahead of the fog threat, issuing a dense fog advisory that's in effect from 9 o'clock tonight through 10 a.m. tomorrow. So it's going to be slow to burn off. Visibility generally a quarter mile to a half mile, but it could be less in spots. So we'll be on the lookout for that and factor that into your travel plans, especially late at night and morning hours. Here's the big picture. Let's set the stage for what's going to happen over the next 10 days as we head into the weekend. This is Saturday at 10 p.m. We're going to start to see scattered showers, maybe a thunder shower, a little bit of a disturbance rolling on through, but it's not going to cool us off a whole lot. And then going into next week, we're going to stay on the warm, mild side through Tuesday afternoon. But look at this whopper of a storm system, blizzard conditions or big snow conditions. Look how the isobars are packed together. So it's going to be a high wind situation. Out ahead of it, the threat of severe weather from the mid-Mississippi Valley all the way down to perhaps into Louisiana. So we're going to have to watch that system Tuesday night, maybe into Wednesday. Of course, we'll be tweaking the timing because that's still a week out. After that, we're going to see definitively cooler/colder weather, and it may be staying for a while. So we'll watch that pattern change, but in the near term, not much of a change. Mild and foggy overnight tonight. The fog burns off. The model is very optimistic on burning off a lot of the fog and low clouds, going partly sunny in the afternoon. We'll go with highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s, depending on how much sun we get in the afternoon. The record for tomorrow is 84, so I think that one might be safe. And then fog and mild conditions again tomorrow night into Friday morning, and then by Friday afternoon, we clear out once again as frontal boundary still staying north of us, but eventually it's going to try to make a run south as we get into the weekend. But it's pretty much the repeat pattern for the next 2 or 3 days continuing. So here we go with the fog visibility forecast. And once again, the model telling us it's not a thick fog that's going to bring you down to your zero visibility, but nonetheless, foggy conditions once again. It burns off tomorrow. We do it again tomorrow night, going into Friday morning. Burns off quickly by noon on Friday, and then Friday night, Saturday, another round of fog quite possible, although visibilities don't look nearly as low. We'll just watch the trends nonetheless. So another mild and humid night tonight with that dense fog advisory in effect between 9 p.m. tonight and 10 a.m. tomorrow. And again, look for, if you can see it early enough and we have some breaks in the clouds, the moon and Mars right next to each other. In fact, there'll be a period where the Mars may be behind the moon. So I'm not sure exactly how that's going to work out. I hadn't had a chance to read up on it today. Always working on weather for you. 82 the high tomorrow with partly sunny skies. Warm afternoon as well. And if we hit 82, that'll be 2 degrees shy of the record. Lower 80s again for Friday this weekend. Better chance of showers, especially Saturday night going into Sunday midday. Some lingering showers Monday. Then it could be potentially stormy late Tuesday night. Strong front arrives by Wednesday, and thereafter turning sharply cooler/colder. And again, Jim, those long-range models, what we call these ensemble models between the GFS and the Euro, are telling us that it could potentially stay chilly and maybe even get just a touch colder toward Christmas.
You know, we're going to start asking for snow next.
Well,
right? Just for Christmas, though.
Let's try to get some chilly air in here first. Let's see how that works.
Thanks, Rob. Still